Hello and welcome to Aurelian University. In this video, we're going to cover the different shapes of bacteria really briefly. And yeah, so let's just plunge right in. A lot of the shapes here are not actually very common. So we're going to go over them, but I'll point out which ones are really common. Coccus here is actually really common. If you've heard of Streptococcus, that's referring to its shape here. And it's just a sphere or ball shape. So Streptococcus, it's a really common one. Bacillus, this is a rod, comes from the a Latinization of the Greek word for rod, essentially. And yep, it's just a rod, so it's sort of an oblong, ovalish shape. Here we have Spirillum, which is essentially a wavy shape, and it's related to spirochetes, which are long, wavy, spiral shaped bacteria. So these ones are sort of longer and they have more kinks in them. And then we have Filamentous Bacteria. Now these ones are the ones where they start getting a lot less common. So Mycelium are clumps of filamentous bacteria. And so I put the Latin word here, even though the bacteria are called filamentous bacteria, but the mycelia are the clumps. There's Arcula, which is like a box-shaped bacteria. It might be kind of hard to see here. I used a yellow Sharpie here. That's just a box or rectangularly shaped bacterium, and it comes from the Latin word for box. And then we have these here, which are also, so Mycelia arculi, the plural of this is arculae or arculi. Then the last one here, these three are all pretty uncommon. These are pleomorphic bacteria, which are bacteria without one defined shape. They can just sort of be anything. This comes from Greek. So pleon is more, and then morphic comes from a Greek word meaning shape. So multiple shapes. And so bacteria with sort of multiple shapes, they're not really defined by their shape.